Hi everyone, and welcome to the UC Tag tutorial for Fall 2023 admission, brought to you by the Santa Barbara City College University Transfer Academy. What you will need to complete your tag application is access to a computer, the internet, copies of your transcripts from every campus you have attended, and also a copy of your most recent student education plan. Please remember that this video does not replace speaking with a counselor, so if you do have specific questions, make sure that you speak with a counselor directly. Let's talk about the timeline. The UC Tag application must be completed between September 1st, 2022 and September 30th, 2022 for Fall 2023 admission. You still need to apply to the campus after completing a tag by November 2022. In order to receive a UC Tag, you must meet all of the UC Tag requirements for the campus you are interested in, have completed a minimum of 30 UC transferable units by summer 2022. More information about the Transfer Admissions Guarantee TAG can be found at https://admission.universityofcalifornia.edu/admission-requirements/transfer-admission-guarantee-tag.html. Additional tags may be available to you. For a list of universities we partner with, check out our website, http://www.sbcc.edu/transferacademy/tag.php. Please note that this tutorial is in a sequence, so you can watch every video in sequence, or you can skip around to the videos that will help you the best. The general purpose of the tutorial is to help you in the areas that you need the most help, but we have a video on creating an account, inputting your personal information, your messages, reporting coursework correctly, and there's multiple videos on reporting coursework, what to do if you've repeated a class, if you've withdrawn, if you repeated another campus, so we go over that there. We also go over how to input your exams if you took any advanced placement, maybe you took IB, how to review your application before submission. I have a video on submission as well as what happens next. So just note that there's a lot of videos sprinkled throughout the tutorial. You can watch every single one or just the ones that pertain to you. We have videos on how to input your colleges that you've attended, whether they're in-state, out-of-state, or international, as well as a video on inputting international coursework. So skip around if you need to. If you're ready, go ahead and click on the next video.